I need to be able to see the slides, unfortunately. I have a lot of animations, unfortunately. So, alrighty. Well, my name's Tobias. I'm the founder and general manager of Grow Impact. I'm not sure if you're aware, but we spend about $34 billion a year on research and development in Australia. In the area we operate, medical research, about $7.9 billion. The big change is that the funders of this are actually becoming increasingly sophisticated. They want to know what researchers are doing with their money. So the challenge of research is it actually takes a really long time, about 10 or 15 years. And often researchers can't tell the funders where their money is going as part of that journey. Traditional reporting certainly can't do that. And so when you have a funder that has a mission that's particularly close to their heart, like trying to cure cancer, and they don't understand how their money is helping you get closer to that goal, that's when research organizations lose funding. So our solution is Momentum Empowering Impact, helping show funders their return on investment in research. Thank you very much, Carly. So Momentum has been used for 3 years at one of the largest research organisations in Australia. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how it works. So what we do is we enable the researchers and the funders to work together to map out how they're going to get to that end point of the journey at the beginning. So there's alignment. And then each year, the researchers can add information about their research activities and impacts and link that to the pathway. It sounds pretty simple, but then we can actually add more evidence each year. And what we actually start to do is build an evidence-based narrative of progress. And this is what funders want to talk about because they're trying to get you to solve a big problem for them, such as, again, curing cancer. Importantly, though, we can surface this in the context of investment. So when we have multiple investors investing in that 10 or 15-year journey, they can see how their money is contributing to movement along the pathway. Now, I'm a scientist, and this is a real challenge. I've seen people doing worthwhile, potentially world-changing research not being able to attract or retain funding because they can't show funders how they fit into this really long research journey. So Momentum enables transparent partnerships between research organisations and funders, and transparent partnerships lead to strong and confident investment in research. So our customers are research organisations vying for that competitive funding dollar, of which these types of organisations, there are tens of thousands across the world and hundreds in Australia. And given what we know they pay for these types of systems, we're looking at a potential addressable market of over $3 billion across the world. There are other systems out there that deal well with researchers and research managers, but they forget the people that they need to really talk to, which are the people that invest in the research, the funders. Only Momentum provides that end-to-end solution, working with the researchers, the managers, and the funders to help them understand how their investment in the journey is helping progress the research. And really recognizing this, we've been awarded the award for Research Excellence by the peak body for research managers in Australia in 2019. And following on for this, we've had fantastic traction in the market. We have 3 large organisations beta testing our product right now, and 11 other organisations lined up just to have a bite of Momentum. To tell you a little bit more about our model, we're a B2B SaaS product with tiered pricing between $15,000 and $100,000 based on the size of that research organisation, from programs, centres, institutes, universities, funders, and we will be profitable within 3 to 4 years. I'm going to talk a little bit about our business model. So our customers are research organisations, and our product will be for them in the first instance, but we're building out our funder functionality very early on in our pipeline because these are the people that can tell research organisations what to do. They're providing the funding. We like to see reporting this way. You need to use Momentum, and that will drive growth in our market, and we'll have a revenue of $5 million per year in 2025. I want to talk a little bit about the team. I've been doing exactly this type of thing at one of the largest research organisations in Australia for years. I'm a scientist and an administrator. I understand the problem from both ends. We have a fantastic CTO that's helped build profitable commercial products before, and importantly, we're supported by a fantastic board. We have Nick and Paul on the right here. They've built technologies before from scratch. They know how to hustle, and they're going to help us get it done. We have Tara McLaren on our board, who's a thought leader that works very well in the university space and understands the needs of that sector as one of our largest clients. So we need your help to help us accelerate the development of our product for the release of our MVP in 2021. So what I want to ask you to do today is when you see someone walking around wearing this name badge that says Grow Impact, have a conversation with them about how we can help each other. And if you know a funder that understands the particular challenge that we're solving, we would love an introduction. Come to see us at our booth. Last but not least, I want to talk a little about the Fast 8 program. Through the excellent mentorship from Derek and Isabel and Carly, it's helped us grow from a spin-out from within a corporate environment to being a real hustling startup organization. And the most valuable part for me are the other groups within the cohort. This is our community going forward, and we're all very open, and we have a lot of co-learnings, and it's really helped us progress. So just before I go, I see a lot of people shaking hands tonight. We do, being a science nerd, have some hand sanitizer on our stand. Please come by, have a chat to us. We would love to talk to you. Thank you.